This is question 5 from the 2016 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 1. The question says, Paula runs a plumbing business. She charges a basic call-out fee of €40. She also charges €30 for each hour or part of an hour that a job lasts. Paula spent 2 hours and 45 minutes on a job. Work out the total charge for this job. Okay, so the first thing is that if she's called out, it's €40 before she even does anything. Now she spent 2 hours, that's two 30s. 30 for the first hour, 30 for the second hour, and then she spent another 45 minutes on the job. And it says it's €30 for each hour or part of an hour, so that's another 30, even though it's not a full hour. So when we add up all of those together, we get €130. And that's the end of part A. Part B says Paula is ordering parts from the UK. One part costs £24.83 sterling. The exchange rate is €1 for 71 cents sterling. Work out the cost of this part in euro and give your answer to correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, well, if €1 is worth 71 sterling, we just need to find out how many 71s are there in this amount here. So to do that, we're going to divide 24.83 by our 71 pence. We're going to keep the units the same. If this is in pounds, we have to write the 71 in pounds as well. And on the calculator, the answer to that is 34.97183, and it goes on a bit more. There's a dot over the 9. But it does ask us to give our answer to correct to 2 decimal places. So we'll do that. So that would be 34.97, and that's euro. Don't forget the units. And that's the end to part B. Part C says the total charge for the parts before VAT is €330. €75.90 VAT is charged on the parts. Find the percentage rate of VAT charged on the parts. So we want to know what percentage of 330 is 75.90. So we're going to express that as a fraction. 75.90 over 330. So that is the VAT as a fraction of the total. But then we want that to be expressed as a percentage, so we would times that by 100. So we put all that into our calculator. And the answer we get is 23. So it's 23%. And that's the end to part C.